Hello Camberley family, my name's Susan and I'm one of the tutors on Camberley. Today we're going to get some top tips about conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? Well, there are four main types. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. 2. Correlative conjunctions. 3. Subordinate conjunctions. And 4 are conjunctive adverbs. So, what does it all mean? Well, let's now take a deeper look at all of these types and use some examples to get some further understanding. Right, let's look at number 1, coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunction is a word that connects two elements of equal rank, like 2 verbs, 2 nouns, 2 adjectives, 2 phrases, or 2 independent clauses. There are 7 types of coordinating conjunctions. Let's look at those. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now let's look at a few examples. Nor. Neither my son nor my daughter like drinking milk. But. I go to work on Monday, but not Saturday. Or. Does Charlie have a brother or sister? Let's look at number 2, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join words or phrases with equal importance. Here's some examples. Either or, neither nor, both and, not only but also. Let's look at some examples. Either or. I will either go for a hike or stay in and watch TV. Both and. She is both intelligent and beautiful. Not only, but also. He is not only intelligent, but also very funny. Let's look at number 3, subordinate conjunctions. A subordinate conjunction is a word or phrase that links a dependent clause with an independent clause. Another word for a dependent clause is a subordinate clause. It is a clause with 2 specific qualities. Firstly, it does not express a complete unit of thought on its own. It cannot stand as its own sentence. Secondly, it depends upon an independent clause, one that can stand on its own, as a complete sentence. Let's look at some examples. We have after, although, as long as, because, before, now that, and some sentences. Although it rained a lot, I enjoyed my holiday. That. My father believes that I could be a brilliant writer. Since. It's been very busy since I started my new job. And now let's look at number 4, a conjunctive adverb. This is an adverb that connects 2 clauses. By converting the clause, it introduces an adverbial modifier of the verb in the main clause. It's a little confusing, so let's take a deeper look. Here's some words. Accordingly, furthermore, moreover, also, anyway, however, therefore, otherwise. And now let's look at some examples. However, she went to the store. However, she didn't find anything she wanted to buy. Therefore, Jeremy kept talking in class. Therefore, he got into trouble. Hence, Brian didn't study for the test. Hence, he failed. So, now you've had a look at conjunctions, examples and their functions, it's time for you to go ahead and make some sentences for yourself. Have a practice. If you'd like to see me on Cambly, I work 6 days a week, so I would love to chat with you and help you improve your English. Just click the link below. And if you don't know about Cambly, it's a wonderful platform. It operates 24 hours a day, all over the world, so across all time zones. So you can connect with a native speaker at a time that suits you. Good luck with your learning. I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.